Scanning a barcode to access digital content means we can all have the latest information about the products we use whenever we need it. Imagine that yesterday you had been prescribed a new type of inhaler, but had forgotten the pharmacist's instructions on how to use it. Everything made sense at the time, and the inhaler is not complex, but it is new and does require some practice. What if it was possible to scan with your mobile phone the same product barcode when dispensed, and from this gain access to information online? This could include the patient information leaflet, which you could expand to make it easier to read. You could access important updates, and even see a video demonstrating how to use the inhaler. And you can scan the barcode as many times as you need, so you can review the information. A simple barcode scan can not only help you receive the right product, but also provide the information you need to feel safe using it.